Have you been wondering how to harness the power of AI in your personal or professional life? Well, today I'm going to show you the 7 most useful AI tools that every beginner should know about. Some of these tools can save you hours of work each week. Introducing AI tools in this first section, we'll explore what makes an AI tool truly valuable for beginners. I'll explain the key features to look out for and how using the right tools can make a big difference in your productivity. The top 7 AI tools next up. Let's dive into my carefully curated list of the top 7 beginner-friendly AI tools. I'll provide a detailed breakdown of each one, including what it does, how much it costs, and who should use it. How to get started in our final section. We'll walk through the steps you need to take to start using these AI tools effectively. I'll share my best tips for getting started quickly so you can see real results in no time. And there, you have it, the 7 most useful AI tools every beginner should know in 2024. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to stay up to date with more tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching.